Hey everybody, we're going to do some more coasters. Today I'm using Artist Resin Medium Viscosity by Counterculture DIY. I mixed up 8 ounces and now I'm going to clear my timer and hit start, and we're going to time it as well as the temperature throughout the process. I'm going to clean up my molds. They're a little bit dirty, and get all my stuff together, and I'll come back at around 15 or 20 minutes to share the next step. Okay, we're at 20 minutes. It's over 100 degrees, which doesn't feel that way, but maybe because it's on a silicone cup and I can't feel the heat. Okay, I'm back the next day, and I would love to see what the underside looks like, but you can't with pink mold, so it's going to be a true mystery. I am going to put a background layer, and I'm using Counterculture DIY Fast Set. This is an older bottle. It's actually 2 years old, and as you can see, it's ambered. It's not crystal clear, but that's fine. I use it for bottom coats or whatever where you can add color to it. So even if your resin is 2 years old, you can still use it. Just tint it with color and you're good to go. I'm going to use Laura's Art Corner Candy Apple Blossom, which is a reddish, rusty orange powder. And I'm just going to put 1 spoonful first. Okay, it's been a few hours and we're going to unmold these. Love these molds. I got them on Etsy from, they're outside the US, but they ship very quickly and they're very good quality. Alright, here we go. Pretty, pretty. So there they are. And of course you could put any background color. You wouldn't want to put, I would say, white, because then your bloom wouldn't show up, but some kind of a contrasting color. Black, and any color would be beautiful with it. And there's the little golden silver glass bits in the middle. I hope you learned something from this. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will share with you on the next video the next project. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.